Yeah, exactly. In fact, we're looking at some of these lots right here. I found it kind of interesting. You see this 108, 109, 110, and 111, and they all got purchased for $550. So there was probably somebody that put their reserve at $500, and the other investor put his at, let's say, 600 or whatever he had it, and so he won each one of these, or she won each one of these for $550. Now, one thing that we need to be worried about, or at least consider when we're looking at HO properties, is what is the HOA, the POA fee. Sometimes it can totally be worth it to buy these type of properties. They could be in great areas, but it also could be a situation where the POA is so high, it's not going to make any sense to buy property there.
Yeah. In fact, I love lots like these. There are actually a lot of really nice lots in this sale, and some of these may have ended up because they had higher opening bid amounts that didn't make as much sense. We actually found a lot of lots like this, though, nice building lots that are in areas with construction that was taking place, places where you can see other homes around that are nice and that have been built on the property. In fact, we love building lots like that. Really, you can do really well with building lots like these.
Yeah, so we can see the county values at around $6,000 or so, as far as what they think the assessed value is on the property. As we looked here, the property's kind of located right here in this area, and then there's also some properties over here in this area as well that are included on that list. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look up this property on Redfin real quick. And one thing I kind of found interesting is these properties right here, this 12.9, that's the one right here. This is the one that essentially got picked up in the tax sale. And then these other ones are these $25,000 and $20,000 ones here. So, if we were to come in here and filter this out just to land, you can see that the person that bought these properties, essentially is relisting them for sale now. The cheapest one at 12.9, and some of the other ones at 2,500. So I thought that was kind of interesting. I looked into the sales. There's not a huge amount of property selling here. It's kind of a little bit smaller area here within this community, but it is a nice community. And as far as how many properties are selling a year, there's about a year's worth of turnover per year. But the prices that they are selling for are pretty high. So when he spent $500 on each one of these lots, asking $25,000, $13,000. Now for us, if we pay $500, we'll probably try to blow it out for $5,000 or $6,000. That